Don't make ugly PowerPoint slides like this ever again. Make them instead. And this is looking very beautiful. So in this video you are going to see how I made this slide in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape and drag it like this and use this point to make it more round. Increase its size and rotate it and place it like this. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, reduce its size and place it like this. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it over here. Now select this rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key and select these three. Go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape and click on Subtract. And go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Now go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let me select the picture from my computer. Go to Crop, go to Aspect Ratio and make it 16:9 and click on Outside. And place it like this. Click on right button and send it to back. Now select this shape, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Fill, go to Eyedropper and select this fill color. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to Fill and increase the transparency to 20 points. And go to Shape, Shape Effect, go to Shadow and click on Inside Center. Now I have to select the picture. Go to Home, go to Select, go to Selection Pane and select the picture. Go to Animation, go to Add Animation, click on Grow and Shrink. Go to Animation Pane, select it, go to Effect option, change the size to 110%, enter, go to Timing and click on Until Next click on OK. And go to over here and make it with Previous. Now let me add some text. Go to Insert, Shape, pick a text box, drag it over here. Right here Macau Bird. Change the font color, change the font, increase the size and place it like this. Add some description. Place the description over here and change the font color to white color. Now let me watch the slideshow. And here you will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.